Hey everybody, my name's Bryce. We're here at the CRKT booth at Blade Show 2019. This is booth number 115. We're here talking to A.G. Russell. We're going to show you a couple new items that we have coming out this year. First up, as I'm sure many of you are familiar, we released the Flavio Icoma Deadbolt locking mechanism earlier this year on the seismic knife. A really strong and intuitive lock. We're really excited that Flavio allowed us to utilize this lock and start putting it into production models. Flavio was also gracious enough to allow other designers to use the lock. So for Blade Show, we introduced the Austin McGlawn Clever Girl folder. We've worked with Austin in the past, mostly doing fixed blades, Clever Girl, Rakkasan, and Duhawk. And this is his first folder. But this is a great example and utilization of the Deadbolt lock. Extremely strong. There are a couple pins in the back of this knife that'll go through the liner, blade, and the liner. So to make this lock fail, you're literally going to have to shear those pins off. And in our lab testing, you're probably going to break the blade before that. So extremely strong, real simple to utilize the lock as well. Just to press on the center pivot there, and the blade goes back into the handle. Keeps your hand out of the way too, so it's safer. It's really good for people who aren't used to liner locks, frame locks.
There you go. Hit the only big button.
Yeah, real simple. It's just right there. So that's really exciting, and it's cool. We'll be seeing this on more knives in the future, and really fun that we opened it up to kind of the stable of designers that we use on our roster at CRKT. So that's the Austin McGlawn Deadbolt folder, available now. Another hot item we had was released back in January, the CRKT Provoke by Joe Caswell. It uses our kinematic arms to deploy the blade out of the back, sort of solving some of the shortcomings of traditional designs. A really cool design. We're really excited to work with Joe. He's a really brilliant engineer, adding a whole lot of really cool features in here outside of the opening mechanism. Even the lock that lays flush with the frame until you depress the end here, and it raises the edge to go over your pocket. Rides really low. You don't see you don't show the ring like you would with some ceramics. Just a really cool blade. And recently we released a sheath for it. It will come with two different types of locks. You have a tech lock, as well as the MOLLE attachable lock that we have on the back here. This is a great opportunity if you're left-handed. Now you can carry a Provoke on your hip. It's not something you can reverse the clip on. So we were really excited to release this, and anybody who prefers to carry their karambit in a holster. So really excited about that. Another item that we just released this year, it's CRKT's 25th anniversary of being in business. So we took one of Ken Onion's popular designs, the Homefront. We worked with Lion Steel to come up with this 25th anniversary edition. We only made 500 of these, all titanium handles, M390 on the blade.
M390?
Yeah, M390.
Wow.
And really beautiful work on here. Lion Steel did a great job. I love the little details on the back and the jimping. I don't know if the light will be able to capture that. Just some of the ridges. Ken did a really good job, and a lot of little great touches here. And he had a military styling to a lot of his knives in this period. This checkered pattern, the star, which kind of reminds me of a World War II GI star. Mm-hmm. He thought the ribs on the back were kind of like a tank tread. He really got a lot of inspiration for that. He's really interesting to talk to and how he finds inspiration for his knives. But we're really excited to see the Homefront done up in higher end materials, and yeah, really cool. Only 500 made, so if you're interested, jump on that one. Last night, we were also very excited and complimented that our CEO won Best Buy of the Year. The CEO is a knife that we released in January. Richard Rogers, a really sleek gentleman's knife. You can see it's really slim. It's meant to be carried in a pot. You can actually carry it in a pen, a little pocket on your shoulder if that's the way you like to carry your knives, but real slim, you don't feel it. And one of my favorite parts about the knife is how it opens. We're running IKBS ball bearings on this knife, but
really?
But if we got to actually handle Richard's original custom of this, and it's got the exact same action. He's just an amazing blade designer, and the angles he nails on this it's amazing, and that's why it opens so well. So I'm really glad that our production model captured kind of the essence and soul of the custom-made model. And
oh yeah.
At $49.99, it's a great deal. And you can pick this up just about anywhere. One of my favorites coming out this year. I really like slim knives. So.
Definitely deserving of this award. I think at A.G. Russell we're back ordered 60 of them or something like that.
Yeah, we're trying to get them out to you. We're making them as fast as we can, but we knew it was going to be big, but we're really glad that the knife world appreciates it, and is kind of taking it in. So that's what we love to see. So, yeah, and that's what we got, and that's what we come out with mid-year this year. So thanks for tuning in.
Excellent, Bryce. Thanks for the interview.
Of course.